What's up guys, finally, here we have our first big Samsung Galaxy Note 10 leak for you that confirms those claims as well as other Note 10 rumors. Moreover, the renders deliver a surprise that not everyone will appreciate. The following renders come from the same 91 mobiles who partnered with @OnLeaks again to deliver another mobile leak. The renders are based on leaked CAD renders for the phone and seems to confirm everything we have heard in the previous weeks. The Note 10 features an infinity O display design just like the S10, but the hole punch camera is located centrally at the top of the phone. The fingerprint sensor is built right into the screen and it's probably an ultrasound one. There's also a major change on the back where the triple lens camera has a different placement and alignment. It's now placed vertically on the left corner. The phone features curved edges both on the front and the back, as well as thin, seemingly symmetrical top and bottom bezels. The surprise I mentioned before concerns the headphone jack, which is missing in action just as some reports claimed. Samsung is ready to kill the audio port, finally following the trend that started back with the iPhone 7 several years ago. Also interesting is the fact that there's no Bixby button on this one, which is probably a great move from Samsung. The volume and standby rockers will still be there. A different rumor said a few days ago that Samsung might deliver a Note 10 that lacks any physical buttons, although Ice Universe said that's not going to be the case. Samsung has supposedly tested the bolder design but ultimately decided to keep the buttons in place. The prolific tipster and the leakster Ice Universe said on Twitter that these renders shows the smaller Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and that the bigger version will get a fourth camera on the back, a time-of-flight shooter. Samsung is widely expected to launch two distinct Galaxy Note 10 models this year when it comes in size, with each of them also coming in a 5G version. So yeah guys, that's it for today. Now what's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yeah, smash that subscribe button and press the bell icon for more latest news, and as always, I will catch you tomorrow in the next one. Peace out.